Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is Kashi Tamil Sangamam 2023. Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi inaugurated the Kashi Tamil Sangamam 2023 in Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. This event celebrates the cultural and educational ties between Tamil Nadu and Kashi. The Kanyakumari Varanasi Tamil Sangamam train was flagged off, symbolizing the connection between these regions. Multi-language and braille translations of classic Tamil literature like Thirukural and Manimekalai were launched, enhancing accessibility. Banaras Hindu University and IIT Chennai's joint initiative under the Vidya Shakti program was highlighted, showing collaboration in education. The significance of the Kashi Tamil Sangamam in promoting the spirit of Ek Bharat Shresht Bharat, that is, One India, Best India, was stressed, fostering national unity. The emotional and creative bond between Kashi and Tamil Nadu, with historical references like King Parakaram Pandyan, was acknowledged. King Parakaram Pandyan kept the heritage of Kashi alive, especially during times of foreign invasions, by building temples like Tenkasi and Sivakasi. The establishment of the sacred Sengol in the new parliament, overseen by the Adi Nam saints, is a reflection of this unifying spirit.